There's one thing I need to fix in the car, it's the tach. Last video we tried and I could not get it to work. This video, let's see if we can get it to work. All I did was get my pliers, squeeze the loop some more. Now I just have to start it and see if it's working now. Well, the gauge is set to 1 cylinder. Yeah, let's go ahead and turn the dial and put it set to 4 cylinders and maybe we'll actually get a reading. I just finished adjusting the tow arms. The right side was off. It had tow out, equal both sides. Steering wheel should be straight now, and the car should drive back. So I couldn't get the tach to work. I don't know why, it's just flopping around being trash bagged. That sucks. We're gonna have to figure something out, either buy a new one, but for now, I'm putting it on the back burner because I really don't care. Maybe tonight, I still really don't know. I might go out and drift a little bit. I might not, I don't know. So it's hard to get that second gear. I was second gear. I'll just stay in first, I guess. I don't know.
All right, bet.
tire size where I go down to like 235 and then a higher PSI, because second gear is not feeling it. Change the tires, change the PSI, up the boost, it'll be decent then. Like right now, I'm stuck in first gear.
Better setup, yeah.
Alright, so I just want to pause right quick. The main reason I'm struggling second gear is because I don't have the wheel speed. I basically need to enter at a way faster speed, which I'm kind of nervous to do because I'm a beginner. I just need more seat time, especially on the track, and I should be able to, you know, easily do second gear, especially once I change the tires and boost. But mainly it's just driver mod that needs work.
I turned it off, right?
Yeah.
How's my drifting now compared to the first time?
That boy leveling up like little by little, and watching it, it's sick. Like,
oh my god, that was fire, guys. Last time I had the suspension like all the way stiff, but I set it down so now it's softer and it's not rubbing, so it's like I'm dialing it in just slowly, bro. Hey, you know what's crazy too? Guess what I've been doing the past 2 days?
what?
Just driving sim straight up.
Really?
Yeah, I set my sim up and I was just drifting in sim for like hours the past 2 days, and I like that low-key helped because we haven't drifted out here in like a while.
POV is so fun.
Are your eyes burning?
No.
My eyes are burning, bro. Really? Smoke, yeah.
Bro, that's